guys, it's the Fisher Brad, and today I'm in Ohio fishing Lake Erie. In today's video, I'm using a Runcl 2 Titan 3000 spinning reel. For the rod today, I'm using an Akuma Solillo 8'6" medium action rod. For the rig today, I have a snap swivel. I'm running a crawler harness. I'm putting about half a night crawler on the hook, and then we have an inline weight.
Get a little short, but he's fatty. Not quite.
There we go, I found your fish. Oh, this is a bigger one too.
Fish deep.
This one feels bigger than normal. Might be the next one it is.
Oh, thank God.
I gotta hold it up to the camera.
That made
That's a nice
oh, that's what you're trying to catch there.
Alrighty, my Lake Erie walleye, guys. Here we go. Look at this monster.
Wow.
Look at the colors. Hog. He's hooked up.
You got the net over there, Jeff?
Yeah, I got him. Okay.
All right. This spot is guaranteed to catch fish. Good hit on the bottom.
Sure is.
Oh, I got one too.
Double.
Oh, mine's a lot smaller. Come on, triple.
Can you spot lock us here?
Yeah, but I have to try.
Oh yeah.
Kinda open.
On our little boat.
Yeah. Oh, got him.
Wants to be under the bush.
Sweet.
Turkey's hooked up.
Oh boy, Berkey.
Every time I turn over here to get the camera in action, I hook up. I'm gonna hook up again.
He's nice looking.
Oh, right here, I told you. I knew it. Every time.
I'm gonna slow down a little, Brad.
Also, a little bit bigger one. No, it's not. I'm not
That definitely makes it. Yeah. Oh, that's a bigger one.
Yeah.
That's a 17 and a half.
It looks like it. Yeah, my eyesight isn't what it used to be.
I'm being about it.
I love using this rod to go after many different species of fish because it has a strong backbone, yet it is also very easily able to bend over. The slightest amount of pressure will allow the rod to bend over to keep the line tight. This ability in a rod is very well needed for any size fish, whether it be large trophy size fish to medium size fish. If you haven't yet, I definitely recommend picking up the Akuma Solilo rod as well as the Runcl 2 Titan 3000 spinning reel. I'd like to say a big thanks to Butch for inviting me out to reel in all these awesome fish on Lake Erie in Ohio. I had a blast fishing with you guys, and it was just a great time all together. It might be the biggest one of the day, I think. Hope not be a sheephead. Nice! Hog! Sweet! I gotta hold it up to the camera.
Did you do a count on it or just wait till it hit the bottom?
Right there.
Net.
Feels like he's got some weight to him. It's okay.
Get the fish.
Cool.
Yeah, that's a nice one. That's what I started to say. I never finished my sentences. Usually when we hook them doing this.
Yep. That may or may not be a fish or a shoe. Have not found out. Is it a sheephead? Oh, double! This one has a little bit more weight to it.
Good job, Clara.
Well, maybe it's a keeper.
Oh, yeah. Very long net around this.
I'm on another double.
Woohoo!
Oh, yeah.
That's a keeper.
Thank you, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh! Pulling some